In this video, you will learn how to fix code errors with ChatGPT and find the cause of problems in your code. First, open ChatGPT and start a new conversation. Then, copy the code that is causing the error and paste it into the chat. After that, send the error message that appears when you run the code. Explain what you expect the code to do and what is happening instead. You can also tell ChatGPT which programming language, framework, or environment you are using. Then, ask ChatGPT to identify the error, explain what is causing it, and provide the corrected code. ChatGPT will analyze your code and show you what needs to be changed. Copy the corrected code and test it in your development environment. If another error appears, send the new error message and the updated code back to ChatGPT. Continue this process until the code works as expected. This way, you can use ChatGPT to identify code errors, understand why they happen, and correct your code more efficiently.